10 best places to live in Hertfordshire. Good to know you're here. Our attention has been drawn to Hertfordshire. Hertfordshire is not just a characterless commuter belt. Its charming villages, rolling fields and towns are packed with cool restaurants. Independent shops are the paramount order of the day here. Whether it's the bustling towns and cities or the picturesque countryside, there's something for everyone in Hertfordshire. Of course, you reserve the right to feel otherwise or even fact-check the assertion. As one of the most famous home counties, there are so many locations here that offer a lot more than an easy commute. This video presents the 10 best places to live in Hertfordshire. Don't forget to share this video after your comments. 10. St Albans. Let's begin this with the city of St Albans, a top London commuter hub. It's one of the smallest cities in the UK. Yet, in its cobbled streets are all ancient religious buildings. Those streets give way to cute rows of terraces. More importantly, St Albans has excellent transport connections. In as little as 21 minutes, its fast train link will take you to St Pancras. Since it is well connected by the M1 and M25, St Albans is also within convenient reach of Heathrow and Luton airports. There is great demand for its excellent schools. It also offers many independent stores such as Holywell Hill, Cositas and White Mint, among others, where you can get gifts, buntings and personal items. 9. Hitchin. The next location is Hitchin, a town offering semi-rural living with excellent connectivity. The town, with a strong community spirit, has the business improvement district supporting local enterprise. Its highly rated schools offering primary education include St Andrews, William Ransom and Samuel Lucas, while Hitchin Boys and Hitchin Girls schools provide well-regarded secondary options. We're particular about the town's excellent connection with Stevenage, just 20 minutes away, via the A1M. In about 45 minutes, you can get to London St Pancras from Hitchin's railway station, which provides regular services. That's why it has been described as a super convenient commuter town with history, character, and a host of brilliant indies. The town has deservedly earned praise for its look and green space beside narrow winding streets lined by gorgeous architecture. 8. Tring. Tring is a small market town located in the Chiltern Hills. It's a popular location with families thanks to its excellent schools and strong transport links. You'll find in the town centre an array of independent shops, restaurants and pubs. The town is set in the vast expanse of rolling countryside, woodlands and scenic trails offered by the Chiltern Hills for recreation and exploration. Situated on the A41, Tring is around 38 miles from London. Besides, its station, which provides regular services, can take you to London Euston in approximately 45 minutes. Its primary education is provided by Bartholomew's Primary in nearby Wigginton and Tring School. Tring is home to a natural history museum established by the skilled exotic animal collector Walter Rothschild. 7. Rickmansworth. Rickmansworth is another popular town in the UK. It is within the M25 and it boasts a mix of spacious homes and attractive green surroundings. Rickmansworth residents enjoy their lives as they daily wake in an environment surrounded by several parks and nature reserves which provide ample opportunities for outdoor pursuits. It also has highly rated schools, including St Clement Danes and the Royal Masonic School for Girls. There are direct train routes here from Rickmansworth to London Marylebone in less than 30 minutes. Road connections here include the A412 to Watford and convenient access to the M1, M25 and M40. Central London is around 15 minutes away by car. 6. Buntingford. Buntingford is such a charming place. The small market town offering a peaceful lifestyle is an ideal place for families and retirees. With a rich history, a close-knit community and picturesque surroundings, the town has a high street lined with independent shops, cafes and pubs. Those who value its quaint charm and a slower pace of life will consider Buntingford as one of the best places to live in Hertfordshire. They will be surrounded by a quaint medieval and Georgian township that tells a lot about the past. Its location next to the river rib brings to life the charm of English market towns. 5. Lechworth. Don't be confused by the full name of this town, that is Lechworth Garden City. It is actually a town which is a blend of history and modernity. It is the world's first garden city. Its charming and affordable location combines history with modern living. It is ideal for families, especially young couples seeking a peaceful lifestyle thanks to its green boulevards, well-maintained parks, and excellent schools, including St Christopher's School, which provides outstanding educational opportunities. Residents of Lechworth can enjoy its leisure facilities, including Norton Common, offering expansive outdoor areas for cycling, walking, and family outings. The town also features an array of local shops, restaurants, and cultural venues, such as the Broadway Theatre. The average house price here is £350,000. 4. Hartford. Hartford. The county town of Hertfordshire is located on the banks of River Lee, with a buzz to rival some North London boroughs. It is a vibrant and historic area with modern amenities, at the same time offering a fantastic mix of cultural attractions, community life, shed loads of indies, and picturesque waterside walks. It has been described as the excitement of city life with loads of culture, unbeatable shopping, and cool cafes and bars. We love it also for its excellent schools, making it an attractive choice for families. The compact yet lively town centre is dotted with independent shops and a thriving arts scene. If you are an outdoor lover, you will enjoy riverside walks, and its transport link is another highlight. 3. Royston. Royston, a town in the northern part of Hertfordshire, lies so close to Cambridgeshire. It is situated between the A1M and M11. Cambridge is just 13 miles away, while central London is around 47 miles to the south. Its mainline station provides frequent train services to London King's Cross in about an hour. We can also add the town's excellent schooling options, provided by St Mary Roman Catholic Primary, while King James Academy provides secondary education. Living in this town, you have several independent eating and drinking options to choose from. You'll find cake, coffee, and light bites by day, and Turkish feasts by night if you visit number 41, for example. Pubs such as the Jolly Postie, the Old Bull Inn, and the recently opened King James. 2. Bishop's Stoford. This point in this video is the most appropriate place to discuss Bishop's Stoford. This popular market town is regularly ranked among the best places to live, not only in Hertfordshire, but even in the South East, thanks to its strong schools, high income, and a nice quality of life. Its connectivity is enhanced by its location on the M11 with easy access to the A1M. It has a station that provides frequent services to Liverpool Street, with average journey times of 45 minutes. Thus, Bishop's Stoford is a very appealing prospect for East Londoners contemplating moving out of town and commuters who must travel regularly for work. With a thriving cultural community and social scene, it also has busy markets, a cinema, a theatre, a museum, restaurants, and bars. 1. Wellwind Garden City. A very place to end this discussion is with the Wellwind Garden City, simply called WGC. Hey, don't be tripped by its name that incorporates the word city. The appellation goes nowhere beyond being part of a nomenclature. Despite its name, WGC holds the status of a town rather than a city. It's known for being one of the UK's first garden cities, and it's quite a charming place. Founded by social reformer Sir Ebenezer Howard, who believed that WGC was the perfect blend of city and nature. The town has had its garden protected thanks to its own exclusive environmental protection legislation established by the management of Wellwind Garden City. Its roads are full of local restaurants on both sides. While this can be taken for granted, They're a kind of luxury for Herts. At any rate, there's a respectable amount of places to eat in and around the town centre. The Barn Theatre in the town is a Grade 2 listed community theatre, hosting the Youth Drama Festival in the spring. It's now time to bring you fully into this conversation. Please know how you feel about these 10 best places to live in Hertfordshire, as discussed in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.